Hi guys, this is Mr. Relatable and today's topic is why do most people fail to understand the real magic of SIPs? One person invested rupees 5000 every month into SIPs. No trading, no crypto, no get rich schemes. Another guy, better lifestyle, latest iPhones, weekend trips, everything. But the bank balance, insufficient funds. But सबसे शॉकिंग बात क्या है पता है? Both earned the same amount of money. The real difference was one understood the real magic of SIPs and the other was chasing quick returns. Problem ये बिल्कुल नहीं है that people don't invest, but the problem is people misunderstand the concept of SIP. By the end of this video, I'll exactly tell you that you will not see SIP as an investment but see it as a time machine. Let's be honest, when someone says bro start an SIP, तो माइंड में क्या आता है? बोरिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट, स्लो ग्रोथ, स्मॉल रिटर्न्स, ये तो अंकल लोग करते हैं. बिकॉज द सोशल मीडिया हैज़ कम्प्लीटली चेंज्ड आवर ब्रेन्स. इंस्टाग्राम खोलो एंड यू विल सी crypto millionaire at the age of 21 turn 10,000 into 2 lakhs, trading profits in one day. So, and what does SIP say? Invest every month rupees 3,000 consistently. Obviously boring लगेगा. Why? Because human beings love excitement, not patience. Middle class mindset usually gets attracted to A. fast results, B. big numbers. And SIP starting में दोनों ही नहीं देता. When you open your portfolio after a year, you will see बस इतना ही. And that's the reason most people quit too early. Now imagine two friends. Rahul buys every new phone, weekend parties, crypto investments, IPL betting apps. The other friend, Aman, invests rupees 5,000 every month into SIP quietly. The difference after 10 years is that Rahul will look rich online, but Aman will actually be rich. Difference क्या था? Rahul chased excitement, but Aman chased compounding. And compounding silently work करता है. No flex, no hype, no instant validation. बस silently grow करता रहता है. Most people ask, which mutual fund should I invest in? How much return will I get? But very few people ask, how long should I stay invested? And that is the real game, my friends. Because compounding needs time to look powerful. And SIP का असली magic returns नहीं, time है. For example, if you invest 5,000 every month into SIP and the return is 12%, so after 5 years, your portfolio value will be around 5 lakhs. And people will be like, bas, itna hi? But that, if you stay consistent till 20 years, your portfolio value will be 85 lakhs. And if you continue that and do till 30 years, the portfolio will be 3.5 crores. That is why SIPs feel slow at the beginning, unbelievable later. Starting के 10 साल boring लगते हैं, but next 10 साल shocking लगते हैं. There's a Chinese bamboo tree. Almost for 5 years, every day you water it. After 5 years, no visible growth, nothing changes. But suddenly, within weeks, the tree grows to 80 to 90 feet tall. Question: what has happened? Did tree grow in few weeks, or it was growing underground for 5 years? That same things happens with SIP. Discipline, patience, financial habits, and compounding ways. That pillars help SIP to grow, but many people quit before the real magic happens. Middle class usually doesn't have income problem; it has consistency problem. Salary is credited and immediately Zomato, EMI, Amazon, friends party, all the random expenses comes into picture. And then at the end of the month, SIP next month से पक्का शुरू करूँगा. Reality, the problem isn't lack of money. The problem is addiction to instant happiness. हम 400 रुपये कॉफ़ी पे खर्च कर देंगे, पर वही 400 रुपये SIP में करना बोरिंग लगता है. Because human brain generally chooses instant happiness over future comfort. Your parents did SIPs like sacrifice. Maybe they didn't invest in mutual fund, but they invested through discipline, repeating the same clothes, traveling in bus instead of cabs, avoiding luxuries. And that's exactly what SIP does. The only thing is your parents invested in sacrifices, you invest in money, but the end goal is the same: security, peace, freedom. 3 reasons why people don't start early. First, my salary is too low. The thing is, small amount plus longer time beats big amount plus short time. Let's take an example. Mr. A invests 3,000 at the age of 22 and Mr. B invests 10,000 at the age of 32. But Mr. A portfolio value would be higher because compounding rewards time, not the amount. Second, the market is risky. Short term investing risky hota hai, but long term patience is usually rewarded. If you check your portfolio daily, you will probably be scared, but if you check it after 15 years, you will probably smile. Third, people want fast results. This mindset pushes the human brain to trading addiction, MLM schemes, fake finance guru, hype investments. Middle class wealth is usually built slowly, but when built, it becomes stable. You know what's the saddest part? Most SIPs don't fail because they don't work. They fail because people quit too early. And honestly, modern lifestyle makes patience very difficult. We live in the world where food arrives in 10 minutes, Instagram reels entertain us in 15 seconds, same day delivery exists, and in that, SIPs are exactly the opposite. Everything around us trains our brain to expect fast results, and SIP does the exact opposite thing. They say stay consistent, invest regularly, wait. But the modern people hate waiting. That's why most people start SIPs with excitement, but after 8 months they quit. Portfolio तो grow ही नहीं हो रहा, but SIPs does not reward excitement, it rewards the consistency. The real magic of SIPs is not becoming rich overnight. The real magic is building discipline, teaching patience, creating confidence, giving future security. And one day you will realize that finally money is working for me. And trust me, that feeling hits different. People underestimate SIPs because of the slow beginnings. Understand, overnight success stories become viral, but real money grows silently. Even if you start with rupees 500 today, the amount is not the most important thing. The identity shift is. You now stop becoming a spender and start becoming an investor. And honestly, this mindset changes the middle class lives forever. In the future, the richest people won't be the ones who are earning the highest salaries. They'll be the most consistent ones. If this video felt a little too relatable, comment below, are you starting with an SIP or already doing the SIP? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video for the new reality check.